The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Sorkar Jylla lengbau ba Preston tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla baru Menteri Wadikmi Yakatanat PWD ula pentep ba Sorkar Jylla kala shemya karai ban penkala 4 lane ya ke Surok nado jingking Umshyrpi shado Bari point Omsho ban Shna daga flyover kumbala bo jing temu haswa kane. Haba pentep ya kane syakilat pathai kubor haka kandre tori ulber arajar arpunrio uba Preston tensong ulaong ba ya kane karai la shem hadin ke jingalang bala Pynurlong do Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrad ke sangma ki he officer harengkat bat ki he sipai. Nalor kata ulaong ru ban nakaliang ki sipai ru bat kumjo ki nong trai ka PWD bat NHIDCL ki la Pynurlong ya ke jingjurem haka ban nakaliang ki sipai ki la menjor ban IT ya ke Jaka ban Shna ya ke Surok.
Recently we had a meeting, detailed meeting, and then now that proposal of elevated road seems to be not that feasible. We decided recently that 4 lane, right from the Umshyrpi bridge up to Bari point, will be converted into 4 lane instead of elevated road. That day we had a joint meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister. He called a meeting even from the GOC, represented by the GOC himself, and we discussed all in detail. And then we have asked PWD and HIDCL as long as with together with the army officers to have a joint inspection and ultimately work out how much the area or the land required. But the decision was taken that day that 4 lane should be in place instead of elevated road.
Hakawi kaliang uba Preston tensong ula pentep bagajing pentrai ya ke Surok Shillong Shadauki kadang ya cekmat haka baga company ke ba pentrai ya ka kadang le kan bala ban pendap haka por balabu.
Progress is very good, no doubt of it. It's very good, and right now the company, they are trying the best to make sure that within the prescribed targeted date to complete it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.